Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and these are the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with Euro USD. The Euro steadied against US dollar on Wednesday on expectation the European Central Bank will raise its benchmark interest rate in July for the first time in more than a decade for fight high inflation, with some policymakers even hinting further hikes after the first. ECB policymakers have been calling for a rate hike for weeks. President Christine Lagarde has finally thrown her weight behind such a move, saying the central bank was likely to end its stimulus program early in the third quarter, followed by a rate hike that could come just a few weeks later. Inflation hit 7.5% in the Eurozone last month, and even measures that strip out food and energy prices rose about the ECB's 2% target. Immediate support is seen at 1.05. A break below could take the pair towards 1.0420. Next, USD Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar strengthened against US dollar on Wednesday as oil prices rallied, but gains for the currency were limited by investors' nerves about the global economic outlook. The price of oil, one of Canada's major exports, rebounded after plunging nearly 10% in the previous two sessions. On Tuesday, the currency touched its weakest level in 18 months at 1.3050. Further dynamics of the Canadian dollar will depend on the US dollar, which continues to grow. Immediate resistance can be seen at 1.3050 and upside break can trigger rise towards 1.3120. And finally, GBP USD. Sterling initially gained some ground against the dollar on Wednesday after US CPI readings, but dipped as traders' attention turned to Thursday's UK GDP data. The CPI release showed annual inflation at 8.3% versus in the Reuters consensus forecast of 8.1%. Sterling shorts are hoping the UK gross domestic product estimate for March comes in below the forecast. A negative number could weigh on the pound by sharpening fears of UK recession. The pound was hit by the last week's warnings from the Bank of England about a UK recession and 10% inflation, alongside its 25 basis point rate hike to 1%. Immediate support is seen at 1.22. A break below could take the pair towards 1.21. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.